Hi, my name's Gowan Vyse. I'm the CEO of the Haymarket Foundation. We work with people experiencing homelessness with very complex needs and have a staff of about 50. I've been working with Rachel from Talent Code, who has just been amazing. She's helped us with policy reviews, making sure that everybody's being paid correctly, interpreting awards, tricky staffing issues. She's come and done some great training with all of the team around bullying and harassment. And she's just been genuinely so supportive of me, and I couldn't recommend the service more highly.